Banking airline seat now under review by the FAA. Previously, the federal agency refused to get involved in decisions by commercial airliners. The Now Detroit's Amira David has a closer look on what this ruling means for passengers. Amira?
Yeah, hi, Carolyn. Well, this is being considered a win for travelers. It's all the result of a lawsuit against the FAA by an advocacy group that says the airline's push for profits has started to infringe on customer safety.
I feel particularly crunched because I'm a tall person with my legs, so it was like I'm having to just move my legs every so often to the sides of the seats.
If I were any bigger, there's no way. You know, it's just no way.
Cramped legroom and smaller seats. Discomfort on the airplane is an experience these DTW passengers seem to share. But could a page be turning? That's the question now being asked after an advocacy group, Flyers Rights, took the FAA to court to implement rules to regulate seat space and won over the court not on comfort, but rather on safety.
When it came to people getting out of the aircraft in an emergency situation, a life and death issue, the court said the FAA had dropped the ball on that one.
In a push for profit, several airliners have added more rows to planes, meaning less space between seats. But with more people packed into planes, that also means more time needed to evacuate in the case of an emergency.
If a passenger is a bigger passenger and the seats are smaller and the spacing is small between the seats, he's going to have a more difficult time, and it's going to take more time for him to get out of his seat and into the aisle and out the door than if it's a person who's thinner.
The court says the FAA now has to prove the lack of standards doesn't impact the well-being of passengers.
If they can't, then they've got to sit down and look at the matter and see how the spacing affects safety. And the court considered this a life and death issue.
That's revenue to them. It's discomfort to the rest of us. And then it's probably a safety issue.
Now, to be clear, an airline must allow all passengers and crew to evacuate within just 90 seconds. The advocacy group, they say their evidence shows that's questionable. And so now it goes back to court with the FAA having the burden to prove that passengers are safe with the status quo. It'll be interesting to see how this all shakes out. We're going to stay on top of it. For now, reporting from DTW, Amira David, The Now Detroit.
Amira, I got to ask you a question. Is there anything passengers can do? Is there a write-in campaign? How can we complain? Do you know, or any idea?
That is a really, really good question. I do have a contact who I spoke with in that piece. I'll have to ask him, and I will report back to you on that.
Oh, that sounds great. Thank you so much, Amira, as always, for taking action for us. Talk to you later.